Hi everyone, welcome back to the Greatness Everyday YouTube channel where I make videos that challenge you to upgrade your mindset, your money, and more. To find out when those videos come out, please go down, click the subscribe button, and tap the bell to be notified when that happens. Today, I'm excited to share with you something that I've been working on for the past few weeks, and that is the release of my latest course called Online Coursology. It is an online course where I show you exactly how you can also make effective online courses very easily and efficiently, because I'm someone who's made 4 online programs, and in those programs I've had over 900 students. So I can really understand the benefits. I can share with you the tips and tricks that I've learned as a result of making those 4 courses, that it's really going to help make sure that your first, or maybe your second or your third, whatever number it is, your online course launch is going to be successful. So I will link information to this course down there below if you want to check it out. But now I want to jump into what you can see. And to start off, you're going to see this main sales page where I've got my little course promo video. The big reason I want to highlight before I show you what's actually in the course are some of the reasons why I think online courses are something that people need to consider. And if I scroll down here, you're going to see $325 billion. And Forbes predicts a $325 billion e-learning industry by 2025. And that is a number that my brain cannot understand, but the e-learning space is growing so rapid. And it's one of those things that if you're looking at getting a piece of that pie, a piece of that $325 billion before 2025, well, I think you should be getting started on this now if you haven't already. You can see there below, online courses are one of the best ways to grow your influence and income. Online Coursology teaches you how to create your online course around your passions, skills, business, and more. And a bonus, you can do it all from your laptop anywhere in the world. And there are so many pros and cons to making online courses. I'd say there are way more pros than there are cons, but for me, I'm going to save that for a future video. What I want to do here is outline and show you what I've actually prepared in the course, because there's over 3 hours of video content. There are over 30 lessons, and I'm always going to be adding to those as well. So that number is only going to go up. In fact, when I was filming for this last week, I went ahead and I filmed 6 videos in one day. And at the same time as filming those 6 videos, I thought I was accomplishing something, but in reality, I was getting behind because I brainstormed 10 more video topics that I could film at a future date that exact same day. So there's so much good stuff that I know I can put into this course. Currently, I'm so excited to get it out there and get it released, get some feedback from people, but there's a lot more good stuff coming. So this is what is involved in Online Coursology. In the main page, you're going to see I've clicked into showing you what the curriculum looks like right now. And you're going to see on the left-hand side all of the different sections and courses that are there. So obviously we have like a beginning as to why you should create an online course, but the main sections that we're looking at, and I'm going to teach you how to do and create your own course, would be planning your online course, recording your online course, editing your online course, uploading your online course, publishing your online course, making money with your online course, and then promoting your online course. And like I said, you can see 30 different video lessons right here, right now. And within those lessons, if I was to click on the welcome lesson, you're going to see the video to start. You're also going to see that you have access to this guidebook that you can go ahead and download either digitally. Someone like me has gone off and printed it because I wanted to make sure that I could literally write down the lessons as I go through. More importantly, this bonus guidebook is actually something that you can use as a tool to help create and plan your own online course as a result of jumping into this and going through the lessons. So you're not just learning, but you're learning and practicing and building it up as you go. Taking action is one of the big things that I want people to really walk away with at the end of going through online Coursology. And there's some other activities through that as well. But you can click through and see so many good activities, so many good lessons that's really going to set you up for success. Because at the end of the day, if you go in and go through this program, what I want for you is you should have basically all of your questions answered, and you can use this as a guide. As someone who has created multiple online courses, and I know what works and I know what doesn't. I know what programs and platforms to use, and I know which ones that I would probably stay away from, right? I'm sharing literally everything I know related to online courses here for you in this program. So if you want to jump into that, I'm going to leave the information down below. This video is solely to share this resource that I've created for people. And it's going to be something that I get back to in my regular videos. But in terms of online courses in this day and age, I think it's one of the best ways to make money. I'm going to touch on that more in a future video, but I hope that you like this video. I hope that you check the course out, at least browse through the curriculum and see what I'm going to actually cover and deliver and help you solve when you're learning how to create an online course. And if it's not for you, great. I'm going to be back with my regular sourced content here very soon. I appreciate you watching. Remember, choose greatness every day, and I'll see you next time.